Hey everyone, how's it going today? Thanks so much for joining us on another great set of home tours. Today you can see there's a body of water behind me. So where are we today? So we're out at Lake Las Vegas at a Blue Heron community called Shoreline. These are single family residents that are just really wow inside of me. There's some of the construction going on right there behind me, but so we're gonna get into those in just a second. Always, I thank you so much for watching these videos. Please like, subscribe, ask me any questions, engage, tell me what you like, what you don't like. If you'd like to learn more about how to buy and sell your house, get in touch with me. That's my cell phone number. I will answer it. I will respond to you. Or you can visit our website. I'm going to pop that below too. All my information's in the description of this video. And let's get to these homes, shall we? Thanks. All right, so all of these homes, no matter where they're built on the property, are going to be lake facing, which means the onus of the house, everything that is aesthetic, the big windows, the sliders are all going to be lakeside, and street side you're going to have your 2-car garage entrance on all of them, as you can see just by these 2 models right here. And then they're all side entrance homes, so you're going to have these little courtyards on the side of the house with some big window sets into a door, and you'll be right inside the house. So let's get inside these homes. All right, back in another model. This one's the Abrir. So this one's 2,820 square feet to 3,501, 3 to 4 beds, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, excuse me. So here we go, quartz onyx. This is Vegas modern, right? And a little bit of that biophilic, because you can see we got some river rock in here. So you got a little bit of outdoors inside. More foil wrap cabinets, 2 stoves, got your microwave. I do love the way these knobs for the cooktop are just built right in. Got that brass finish to it. Got the mirrored look, so you're kind of looking, pushing everything back out. Kind of back up here, continue to pan this room because it's really great. I love the floating stairs. Here's the fridge, so I don't want to take too much time, but let me set this down. So they're just like magnetic and vacuum. So you push it, sorry. Push it and then they open. Right, and then to close, you just push them closed, and then they'll vacuum shut, kind of automatic like a lot of the hatches on cars do nowadays. There's the pantry, got to get the pantry. And here's more of the, you got a formal dining area, nice sized couch, got that Vegas modern running through the ceilings. Here this one's got kind of a pool and a separate hot tub, so you can kind of see down there. We're not going to go outside because the alarm will sound on the door. Cool little spiral staircase. Kind of panning around. We'll just hit the downstairs washroom, then we're going to go up these floating stairs. And really, let's kind of get this view, right? Like, very kind of big city, goes all up, all 3 stories, underside of the stairs, so that's pretty cool. That's going to be your garage right in front of us. So super cool, huh? Look at that sink, that trough sink. All the mirrors in here so you can get ready in here. Cool stonework. Big tile sheets. All right, up we go. All right, 2nd floor. So let's hit up these secondary rooms, shall we? They're nice and big. I love these windows in this corner over here. This is so cool looking. Tall ceilings, walk-in closet. Some kind of cool 3D art right here. All right, another bedroom. Pretty neat. And let's check out this shared bathroom for these 2 rooms. Cool. Love the window, nice shower, really good looking. All right, and laundry room, of course, can't miss that. So very nice. So really, this is good looking homes. And let's check out this bedroom. It's primary, so got your own slider, got a couple fixed windows, but man, that's a view, huh? How'd you like to wake up to that every day? And be like, yep, I live in Las Vegas, Lake Las Vegas. Of course, you do have blinds that come down. Some more of that biophilic right there. You're gonna see what I mean as soon as we go into that bathroom. Sinks. So you got mirrors, right? So you're looking behind me and I can see the lake, of course, outside, because those are just windows. It's just glass. But let's get this. So we got 2 sinks, got vanity. Everything's floating, right? Very cool. That trough never gets old. Here's the shower. It's nice and big. So pretty cool. I do like the window there. It's cool. You got 2 heads over there. Anyway, it's a nice size shower. All right. And closet, primary closet. Let's check it. So, like I said, this one is built out because it's a model. You'd have to do this yourself, but this is a plenty big closet. So you could put all kinds of clothing. Display your Louis, your Chanels, hang your clothes, and whatnot. And storage, so additional storage right here. All right, let's go up to the 3rd deck. All right, so here we are. And I think I told you, these are elevators. So elevator door, I'm inside a closet. Here's the bathroom. And we're gonna go outside and check out that deck, because decks never get old, especially when you got killer views. Oh. Sorry about that. So I'll show you this little sparrow right here, looking down. All right, well, hey, thanks so much for joining us out here. As always, please like, subscribe, comment, get in touch with us. You need to buy or sell a house in Las Vegas, surrounding areas. We'd love to chat with you. I hope you have a great day.